Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to adjust bass and treble on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this home screen. Then you can navigate the left bar by scrolling down. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and select sound. As you can see, if you tap sound, you've got here access to bass and treble. So the bass controls the low frequency sounds. It increases the punch and thumping feel of the music. I've got set up this on 8, but I can change it by using plus and minus buttons, as you can see right here. 8 is quite high. It means I'm getting a lot of heavy, deep sound, great for electronic music, hip-hop or rock, but it might make podcast or news voices sound a bit boomy or muffled, but in my case I like it. And the treble. So as you can see, we can here also customize the treble. It increases the clarity and crispness of the audio. It makes vocals, cymbals and steering instrument sound sharper. So it's also really great to set the treble adjusted to your need. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.